Now we are here at Gaibanda, enjoying the ride.
If you go to Gaibanda, you should visit Jamalpur Shahi Masjid. It's an old mosque built by Shofi Harjat Shah Jamal and is known as the Gaibi Mosque because it was buried underground for a long time. The mosque is located in Bada Jamalpur village, just 16 km west of Gaibanda district Sodor. Legend says that around 600 years ago, Harjat Shah Jamal came to Gaibanda from Iraq along with 360 other awliyas to spread Islam.
কোন কিছু কইবি?
Yes, bro.
তুই সব দেখি দিয়ে পুলিশ করস কেন তোর ধরে পিটাম ওটা।
Now we are here SKS Inn Resort. The SKS Inn Resort located in Radhakrishnapur offers various facilities like gyms, swimming pools, games zone and restaurant.
ভিডিও বানাচ্ছ ব্রো?
অবশ্যই।
ভাই
Then we decided to go Fanship Center, Dreamland Education Park, Balashi Ghat and many more places of Gaibanda.
নয়ন ফিলিংস কেমন? এই ছেলেটা কালকে 200 কিলোমিটার জার্নি করছে, এখন ওরে দিছে আলার পর ফাক ফিঙ্গার চিনস।